No, you're not getting duck lips out of me.
I'm not trying to get duck.
She wants the camera.
Yeah,
she was just standing up for you, waiting for you.
Yeah. Just go with.
You got video on it, so.
Just do what you gotta do.
I have no idea who that was. Did you hear him?
Is she in the bathroom again? Is she? What?
Go to the toilet.
Oh my god! Go get it! Go
Why don't
with
you
me!
go get a Zoom with your
Come
video
with
on
me upstairs!
Brenda, come here. No, don't okay me. Get over here. Turn around. Take your blanket off. Turn around. When did she do that? Why would you throw it at me? Is that fake?
Pick it up. Pick it up. It's
That's fake. It's Play-Doh and soy sauce. That looks pretty real though. I give you that.
That is not Play-Doh.
What was it?
Poop. Smell it.
It's not poop. It's soy. Get out of here.